Hello everyone, I'm Vivekabalan Nadraj Iyer, and for my final year project I'm working on a research related to the data management issues faced by GRAMA officers in Sri Lanka. GRAMA officers are the local administrative officers who are responsible for managing community data. Due to the traditional data management methods, they are facing several struggles. As a solution for that, I am planning to provide a progressive web application which is named as Smart GRAMA. Now we can look on to the mockup screens that I have created for the Smart GRAMA progressive web application. The main users of this application is considered as GRAMA officers. In addition, divisional secretary officers also can access this application. The authorized user can have the URL and access this in their devices. So once the user login, they can choose their preferred language, and according to that they can access this application. And if they have already an account, then they can provide the username and password and login. If they didn't have an account, we have the sign up option where they have to provide the required details and they have to create their account. Once they provide the required details, they can click on the account creation and the account will be created. The username will be handled by the system admin to authorize whether this person is authorized GRAMA or divisional secretary. That will be handled by the system admin. Once they enter a valid username and password, they can log in into the system. This will be considered as a main screen for GRAMA officers where their details will be displayed, and through the update profile option, they can edit their details, and the learn option will guide them to learn about the key features in the Smart GRAMA application. And register household details option will allow the GRAMA officers to enter the community details that they are collecting. So basically this can be used when they are visiting families and collecting details one by one. They have to provide the family information. By default, the GN division will be displayed because only the GRAMA who is responsible for the GN division will be collecting these details. Family head information and the NIC will be validated if it is already exist in any other GRAMA divisions. And for each family member, details also can be added. So each family member, we have to provide the GRAMA officer can scan their NIC, and the NIC details will be captured and displayed in a table, and they have to provide the contact and personal household details as well. And for each member, the health information is required, and based on the family member, if the member is an employee, then this section will be considered as a employment and economic status. If the member is a student, then according to that this will be changed according to the selected type. And welfare and benefit eligibility information. If the family member is a senior citizen, then are they receiving any program such as Samurdhi or anything? And are they receiving any pension? All those details will be captured. And once done, the GRAMA officer can complete this. And the status will be updated and they can navigate to their dashboard. So if they already have a lot of data, then they want to upload it to their upload in this platform like a bulk upload, then they can use this upload details option. Here they can download the template, and in the template they can enter their relevant details and upload it into this platform. So as they are multiple families, like 100 families in one GRAMA division, then the GRAMA officer can use this option and upload the all collected details at once through this option, which will reduce their time. And the main key feature of Smart GRAMA is view insights. So based on the collected details, they can collect the details family by family, or they can upload the collected details. Based on the collected details, they can view the insight of that. So that will be handled through this view insights option. Here we have two options such as search details and analyze insights. The search details option helps the GRAMA Nilatari officer to search the relevant person or family member in their GN division, whether they are an employee or what are the entire details they can search. So this will help to reduce the time uh, to search an individual that they are following now. For now, they have to search through their books, but through this option, they can easily search a particular person details. So the officer have to select the GN division, and if the selected GN division is their own GN division, then the details will be displayed with the edit and delete options. If it is not in their GN division, then they only can view the restricted data. The purpose of giving access to view other GN division person details is to verify whether that person is already in that GN division or not, or else there will be a duplicate records for one person in many GN divisions. So they can edit as well, or else they can just view and process or update. This can be used as an update functionality where the GRAMA Nilataris can update their own update a person details in their own GN division. The analyze insight option will analyze the insights based on the collected data. The GRAMA Nilatari can analyze and they can get an idea about their GN division. Here we have real-time insight and future prediction option. Real-time insight option will allow the GRAMA Nilatari to identify the real-time insight. First, now by default their GN division will be displayed, and we have these four categories as poverty, unemployment, pensioners and sammutti payment. So these are the main four categories that we are considering for the real-time insight. So if based on the collected data, if the GRAMA Nilatari want to identify how many families are facing poverty now, then they can select the category as poverty and they can choose what type of summary they are required, monthly summary or quarter summary, like that. And according to that, by choosing the generate option, a detailed chart will be loaded for them. Here it will shows that there are 39%, there are total of 500 families, and in that 75 families are facing extreme poverty, which means they are getting income below 15 to 20,000. Like that, detailed report is generated. Visualization is available for the GRAMA Nilataris. They can download this as well. And we have the future prediction option as well, where they can predict based on the collected data. They can predict how many people will be eligible as the voters from their GN division for next year, or how many people will be considered as the pensioners for next year. These details, this prediction will be helpful for the other departments in the government as well. So they can select the category and generate, and this also can be downloaded. So these are the main key features in the Smart GRAMA application. Thank you.